Malloree, what you doing?
Okay, so I'm just reading this really cool book that's all about the Flint River, because we work at the aquarium. And it seems really cool. Like, you see all these shoal lilies?
Yeah,
Like, isn't that
look
pretty?
really great.
And there's like caves and fish, and we should explore some of the Flint River. I think there's a trail. Let's go on a trail. Let's go walking. You ready?
Awesome.
Let's go.
Whoa, wait, Malloree, check out this cool thing I have. It's all about leave no trace.
What does that mean?
So leave no trace is like these 7 principles that you use when you're going outside to make sure that you minimize your impact on these places to make sure that they stick around.
I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, let's do that while we're there.
So we can't just leave right now?
No. So the first leave no trace principle is plan ahead and prepare. So we need to do that first before we go.
Well, I have this book and I know where the river is. So does that count?
Not quite. There's a couple other things we need to do. That's a good start though. So we need to know the regulations and special concerns of the area that we'll visit. So we need to look up and see if there's any special rules that are going on, and maybe we should also check and see like what trails are open or not open so we know exactly where we're going.
Okay.
We should also probably check for, it says prepare for extreme weather hazards or emergencies, so we should check the weather before we go. And we should also probably tell someone where we're going too and when we plan on returning.
That's kind of smart and probably important.
Yeah. Planning ahead and preparing is really important because if we don't, we could end up making mistakes that could be harmful to the area that we're visiting, but also to us.
Oh, well, that's not good. I mean, it's so pretty. We want to leave it pretty.
Absolutely.
Okay. So I guess we should go plan things and prepare things.
Yeah, why don't you go and look up the weather and the park rules, and I will go tell Katie what we're planning to do.
Okay, cool.
We'll meet back here.
Okay. Oh, cool. So 80s, 70s, sunny weather. Looks good. The state park's website. Here's the trails. Oh, here's a map. Maybe I should print that. And oh, we can't go on that trail or that trail. But here's a good birding spot. Sweet.
Hey, Katie.
Hey, Rachel.
So Malloree and I were talking about going down by the Flint River to hike around and check it out because, we work at the Flint River Aquarium, so we figured we better learn more about it.
We do work at the aquarium. Sounds good. Let me know how it goes.
Yep, we're planning to leave tomorrow morning. We'll be back by the evening.
Awesome.
Thanks,
Have
Katie.
fun. Bye.
We will.
Cool.
Hey, so I also brought some stuff to take along with us, too.
Me too. I thought, I looked at the weather. It's supposed to be like sunny and really pretty.
Awesome. I also told Katie. So let's look at some of the stuff we brought.
Okay.
I think we might need to get you a better bag, but
this is a nice bag. Like, it's easy.
yeah, but that might make your shoulder tired while we're walking. We're going to be out all day, so you want something that will be comfortable.
I suppose.
Yep. So I brought some water, so we can stay hydrated.
I brought a drink too.
Oh. Well, those are really good, but maybe you should also get some water too, Malloree.
Okay.
Water is really good for you.
Okay.
And then I also brought this filter so that we could refill when we're out there too.
Oh,
We can share.
okay.
And then I brought some snacks in case we get hungry. I brought a protein bar to keep my energy up, and then orange and some carrots because they're really healthy.
I had that same thought, and I got some snacks too.
Okay.
What's wrong with these snacks?
Candy's great.
They're
but
yummy.
Maybe you need something a little bit more nutritious.
Okay.
All right, and then I also brought some bug spray. So make sure you bug.
I didn't think about that now.
It's okay, you can share with me.
Did not think about that at all.
All right, and then in this little bag, I have a first aid kit.
Oh, I brought a Band-Aid.
Good, Malloree.
Maybe we should put it in your first aid kit.
Yeah, we'll put it in my first aid kit.
Okay. Here we go.
There you go. I have some other things in the first aid kit too, like some cough drops, some aspirin in case someone gets a headache, and then, some like little alcohol wipes to help clean any cuts that you might get as well.
Smart.
And then I also brought a compass, so in case we get lost.
Okay.
And then a flashlight,
Okay.
in case we get out, we end up being out there after dark. We don't plan on that happening, but you know, you never know, so you want to be prepared. And then I also have in here a lighter and a whistle.
So I have a compass on my phone and maps on my phone and a flashlight on my phone and loud music on my phone.
That's all really great stuff, Malloree, and you can bring your phone out there when you go out, but they shouldn't be in place of these other things like an actual flashlight and an actual compass, because you know your phone could die. Those batteries only last for so long.
That's true, I guess.
Right, so you have
we
the
could
phone.
take pictures.
Yes, we could take pictures of those. All right, and
Learning
then
so much stuff.
I also put a rain jacket in here. I know you checked the weather and it said that it wasn't supposed to rain, but you know, you never know. But then the last thing, I think is one of the most important things, is that I brought a hat and sunglasses.
I
And
did
then
too. I
you
did
did
too. You're
too?
gonna love my hat. It's so. Look at this.
Very nice, Malloree.
Look. Sun protection.
Very nice, Malloree. You look wonderful. And then
Thank you.
some sunscreen.
Oh, but I want to work on my tan. That's why I got a tank top.
Malloree, protecting your skin from the sun is very, very important. You don't want to get sunburned, because then that would make your trip very, very unpleasant.
Okay. I suppose that's probably smarter.
All right, excellent. So let's just fix a couple of your things. We'll get you a proper backpack, and then I think we'll be ready to go.
Okay, cool. Can we take one piece of candy?
We can take some candy, Malloree.
Okay.